This is the final video to fix the stop code 0x0000000 error in Windows. And if you're also facing this blue screen, stay with me because I'm going to share simple ways to solve it. I am from 0x0000000, and I want to help you fix this without confusion. This error appears when Windows tries to use memory it should not access. It happens because of bad drivers, damaged system files, or memory problems. You may see many videos online, but most of them are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, I fixed it with a secret easy trick, and I will share the working methods with you. First, restart your computer and try safe mode. If your PC works there, a driver is likely the cause. Remove or update any driver you added recently. Next, open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow. Then run dism/restoreelf. These tools repair system files that trigger this stop code. Check your RAM too. Use Windows Memory Diagnostic and run a test to find memory errors. If the problem started after a Windows update or new app, roll it back from Settings or use System Restore. I solved this issue with one simple method. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on that, comment below for guidance now.